Let's talk about torrential rain in Kolkata that has paralyzed the city even as citizens are bracing for Durga Puja festivities. The rain fury has claimed 7 lives, exposing the crumbling infrastructure of the city. Now, schools have been shut down for the next 2 days between today and tomorrow. They'll only open on the 25th. And what the authorities are saying is that classes are now available online, and they have gone to the online model instead. This is a massive waterlogging that has been reported from various parts of Kolkata. It hasn't, flooded like this. There hasn't been this kind of accumulation of water since 1978. That is what is being said. This is because of 200 to 300 millimeters of rainfall has been reported from various parts of Kolkata. So the rail services, the metro services, as well as flight services have been impacted because of the weather condition. The airport has been flooded, disrupting flight operations. Airlines have now been, issuing travel advisories. There are 30 flights that have been cancelled. 42 flights have been delayed. We're talking about the worst floods we've seen in close to about 46 years. Now, this is the pandal preparations that were on in localities with street level, neighborhoods alike that have now experienced the kind of waterlogging that has taken place, that has in fact submerged those pandals. Water in fact has entered homes as well as residential complexes, and this is because of the kind of rainfall that has been reported overnight. The IMD is saying there's a weather system at play. This is a low pressure area over the northeastern Bay of Bengal, and that is what is bringing in heavy rainfall to the area. This is particularly the southern part of Bengal, the southern and eastern part of Kolkata that has particularly recorded the highest amount of rainfall, which is record breaking. And in order to know the impact of damage, we know 7 people have lost their lives, but also impact to property as well as the infrastructure that is collapsing under the weight of that water. Let's get your sense with my colleague Kritik.
Kolkata has received record rainfall on Monday night, causing disruption of lifeline here in Kolkata. Across the length and breadth of the city, from north to south, there are several sections and portions which have been waterlogged. We are currently at Damdam area. We can see that that vehicles are moving very slowly, and this heavy rainfall during this Durga Puja festival, we can see causing huge waterlogging situations in many parts of the city, causing disruption to the railway and metro connectivity of the city. We are also given to understand still this morning 5 people have died. We can see there are mostly in this area the vehicles which takes or ferry people towards nearest railway station have been not functioning, and so far many parts of the area, particularly in the southern part of the city, which has been disrupted, and the KMC, the local civic body, is tirelessly working to bring the situation under control. The Met Department has predicted more rainfall in the afternoon, raising concern for the city. With camera person GD Shankar, this is Ritik for NDTV.
दिक्कत तो होगा ही, कलकत्ता में दिक्कत ही दिक्कत है, निकासी का व्यवस्था नहीं है एकदम। और दीदी है, दीदी का ऊपर भरोसा रखो, सब कुछ हो जाएगा, लेकिन तो टाइम लगेगा भाई। ये तो प्राकृतिक दुर्योग है ना, ऑटो वगैरह तो चलता ही नहीं, टैक्सी भी नहीं, कोई नहीं लेता है, बस में छप्पर फर के उठा लिया, दिक्कत हो रहा है। और क्या,
पानी यहाँ रहता नहीं है, 1 घंटे 2 घंटे के अंदर निकल जाता है, लेकिन आज बहुत दिक्कत होता है। बहुत आदमी के घर में पानी चला गया, अगल बगल में बहुत जगह में पानी घुस गया है। बहुत दिक्कत होगा, बहुत दिक्कत होगा। बच्चा लोग का पूजा है, उसका एंजॉय करने का टाइम है, लेकिन भगवान का क्या हाथ है कौन जानता है।
वो दुकान डैमेज हुआ, ये दुकान डैमेज हुआ, वो गाड़ी सब पानी में भीग गया, सब डैमेज हो गया। मेरे तो पता नहीं, कल रात 12 बजे से लेके इतना पानी हो रहा है, इतना पानी हो रहा है, हम खुद नहीं पता। हम 3 बजे उठे, दुकान का सारा सामान उठा है, एकदम इतना पानी हो गया, इतना घर भर में सब पानी घुस गया, फ्रिज सब जो सामान रखा था सब खराब हो गया। और वो दुकान में जो सामान था, बिस्कुट वगैरह, चिप्स सिगरेट, सब बर्बाद हो गया एकदम। चारों तरफ देखे, अब पानी, गाड़ी वाड़ी में मोटर तो खराब हो गया, रिक्शा भी गया हमारा, सब कुछ।